In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your Pinterest profile effectively, focusing specifically on how to edit your profile and manage your data settings seamlessly. Whether you're new to Pinterest or a seasoned user, managing your profile and data ensures a tailored experience that caters to your preferences and privacy needs. So let's dive right in. First, you want to start by heading over to Pinterest. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Pinterest URL, or simply search for Pinterest in your search bar to quickly access the site. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in if you haven't already. Use your credentials to enter your account, and once logged in, you're ready for the next step. Now that you're in your Pinterest account, the next thing you need to do is access your profile. This is often found at the top of the page to the right, a little icon that might be a mini version of your profile picture or just a generic user icon. Go ahead and click on it. This click will direct you to your profile page. On this page, you'll notice a button that says View Profile. It's pretty straightforward. Just give it a click to continue. Once you're viewing your profile, look around. There you'll see an option labeled Edit Profile. Click on it to open the settings where you can personalize various aspects of your profile. This is where you can update your information like your profile picture, username, and bio, but for today, we are focusing on something slightly different, your privacy and data settings. In your profile settings, there's a special section dedicated to privacy, aptly named Privacy and Data. This section is crucial because it houses all your data preferences and controls. Scroll down through the options, and as you do, you'll find the setting that says Delete Data. Clicking this will prompt Pinterest to clear data associated with your account, a useful option if you're looking to enhance your privacy or just declutter your digital footprint. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully navigated through the Pinterest interface to edit and manage your profile and data settings. Being diligent about managing these settings ensures that you're maintaining the security and privacy of your online presence. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this walkthrough clear and helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides on navigating your favorite social platforms. See you in the next video.